everybody. Today, Hi everybody. So as you see here, I got nothing on my table. That's because I'm gonna actually pick it up. So the first thing we're gonna play with is this toy. So basically, your job is to fish these toys. So, and we're gonna play a little game. The goal is to try to get everything and try to even get the shark without biting you. Okay, let's play. Ooh, I feel like I got something. Let's reel it up. Do you know what sea creature this is? It's a dolphin. Let's pronounce the word dolphin together. D-O-N. Dolphin. Dolphins are beautiful animals. That's my opinion. Maybe you hate dolphins. Maybe you think they're just not pretty or something. But I love dolphins. They're one of my favorite animals. Ooh, we got something. Let's reel it in. Do you know what animal this is? Yeah, it's a sea turtle. And the color of it is green. All these animals have different colors. Even some may look alike, but they may be a different. Like you see, this squid here is red, but this crab here is a different type of red. If you look a little more closely, this red is a little bit more orangey, while this red is a little bit more reddish. Okay, so let's review the animals we got. We got the dolphin and the sea turtle. Now we gotta get the rest of these stuff. Okay, so we're trying to go more over here. Look, we got a stingray. Oh, you better not touch it because stingrays can sting you like jellyfishes. So do not try to touch them, okay? That's only for professional animal experts. Uh-oh, we got the shark! Do not touch it! But look, it's a shark. Isn't it cool? Remember, do not touch a shark. If you see a shark, call for help, okay? Sorry, I'm going to have to cheat a little bit so I can put the shark back. Just get off. Okay, there you go. So, we got the stingray, the shark, the dolphin, and the sea turtle. Let's try to get this octopus. We got him! This is an octopus. Let's pronounce it. Octopus. Octopus! Sorry we didn't super pronounce the shark and stingray. Let's try it again. Stingray. Shark. Okay, let's try to get the squid. Got him. Now let's pronounce this. Squid. Ooh, we got the jellyfish. Stop moving. Jellyfish. So now we just need the crab, the seahorse, and the whale. Whoa, we got the whale. Whale. That was easy to say. Now we just need the crab. Let's try the crab and the seahorse. Let's try to get the crab first. We got him. Crab. And finally, let's go get the seahorse. Oh, no, you stingray. We already got you, remember? This is a seahorse. Seahorse. That was super fun. But the fun's not over yet. We may have completed this puzzle, but there's still one more puzzle to do. Ta-da! So this is a puzzle. So we're just gonna dump this out. That was a little messier than I thought, but it's okay. As we do this puzzle, we'll learn As we do this puzzle, we'll learn colors and shapes along the way, especially the numbers 1 to 9, especially the number 0. So, should we start the shapes and colors or the numbers? Let's start the numbers. They also have colors too. Where's the number 1? Aha! Here is the number 1. And do you know what color this is? Yeah, it is red. The color red. 1. And it's color red. Now, this is the number 2. Do you know what color this is? Yeah, it's orange. Now, this is the number 3. Do you know what color this is? Yeah, it's yellow. I can see, look, red, orange, yellow. Does that order remind you of something? Yeah, it reminds you of the colors of the rainbow. So first, we're going to do the rainbow from 1 to 7. It's probably going to add in some new colors and stuff. Okay, let's find 4. Is this 4? No. Found 4. It's the color green. This is the number 4. It is the color green. That's my Maya's favorite color. She is obsessed with it. Maya, Mama? The letter M? Yeah. Now, number 5. This color is like green, but it's a lot darker and more bluish. Now, where's 6? Where's 6? I can tell if this is 6. Where's this 6? Oh, wait, this is 6. Yeah. This is 6, and it's the color, oops, have it backwards, purple. Okay. Now, this is the color purple, and it's the number 7. Now, it's time for the number 8. 8 is great. That's what my father always says. Okay. This is the number 8, and it's dark blue. This is the number 9, and it's light blue. And last but not least, this should go before 1, the number 0. This is like kind of like this, but with more bluish. So it's like a bluish green color, like teal or turquoise. Okay, so we did the numbers. Now, let's count them using this same stick that we used for the fish stuff. Ready? 1, red. 2, orange. 3, yellow. 4, green. 5, dark green. 6, purple. 7, dark purple. 8, dark blue. 9, light blue. 10, turquoise. Now, it's time to do the shapes. Let's start with this circle. You know what color it is? Yeah, it's red. And look, I think these 2 rectangles belong to this. And it's a rectangle. So a rectangle is also made out of rectangles. Do you think they go like this or like this? Look, when you put them in like this, there's still a little bit gap right here, and it's covering up this. So we have to do it like this. For the triangle, it's a little bit harder because this piece is for one of the triangles, and this piece and this piece. So I think it's supposed to go like this. Does it fit? Yeah. So, what colors have we did? We did red, yellow, orange, blue, green, and purple. And we also did the shape circle, rectangle, and a triangle. Now it's time to do the square, the pentagon, and the hexagon. Let's start with the square. Okay, these are the square pieces that we need. Now let's put them together. Yay! Now how many squares did we use? 1, 2, 3, 4. We use 4 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now there's pentagon. Now we need 5 triangles. They have to be long triangles like this, not like this. You see the difference? Yeah. So we have to use this one, this one, this one. Now, how many more do we need? A pentagon has 5 sides and 5 corners. So that means we need 5 triangles. How many triangles do we got? And how many more triangles do we need to equal 5? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. Now, let's subtract 3 minus 5. Let's pretend a 5 is up here. Minus 3 equals what? 5 minus 3 equals 2. So we need 2 more triangles. Hey, this is the one triangle, and this is the last triangle. Now let's put them together. Oops, sorry. This is the last triangle. It fits. Looks like they're fitting. Uh-oh, this one is not fitting now. Oh, we got it wrong, because look, we need to flip it. That's better. But what happened to the other triangles? This one just fell? Oh, no, we got it. Silly me. Okay, now it fits. Let's count how many triangles we use. You should remember the answer because I literally just said it. But now let's count it again in case you forgot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 triangles. Now this one also uses triangles, but instead of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And they're going to be a little bit smaller since we're using more. Hey, have you noticed? Each time we use a shape, it gets a little bit bigger. Like 1 big circle, 2 rectangles, 3 triangles, 4 squares, squares, and 5 triangles, and 6 triangles that we're about to put on. Have you noticed that? I just did. Okay, so here are the 6 triangles because these are the last pieces in the puzzle that we're going to use. So let's move them to the side and put them in the rightful spot. I think this piece goes here. Looks like it's starting to fit. Looks like it's time to come together. Yay! We completed a puzzle. Now let's go over what we learned. This is 1 big red circle. This is 2 rectangles that are yellow and orange. These are some 3 long triangles and that are blue, purple, and green. These are squares that are 1, 2, and there are 4 squares that are green, blue, yellow, and red. And this are 5 triangles that are turquoise, blue, yellow, orange, and red. And you can't forget about the pentagon, which has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 triangles. And it's red, orange, yellow, green, turquoise, blue, and dark purple. And we have 1 that is red, 2 that is orange, 3 that is yellow, 4 that is green, 5 that's a little bit darker green, 6 which is purple, 7 which is a little bit darker purple, 8 dark blue, 9 regular blue, and 0 turquoise. Yay! So, we learned all about our sea animals, and we learned about our shapes and numbers. Well, I guess that's it for today's video. Peace out. Oh, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Goodbye, everyone. Peace out. Goodbye. I hope you all had a great Mother's Day yesterday. Goodbye.